Valuation of real property. Valuation means assessment of the worth of an asset or property. The factors influence the return from agriculture, land or location, soil quality, availability of water and electricity, size of holding, clear title of land, access by road and approaches, cottage or farmhouse, fencing and gates extra. Valuation of agriculture land is done by income capitalization method and sales statistics method. The valuation of open land is done by comparative method, rent capitalization method and belting method. The method of valuation of land with building are comparative method, rent capitalization method, valuation based on profit, valuation based on cost, development method and valuation of specialized building. Valuation of specialized building is also known as balance sheet method. Calculation of depreciation is based on two methods. They are straight line method and written down value method. Written down value method is also known as declining balance method. The normal life of building is 75 years for RCC frame structure, 55 years for load bearing wall structure and 30 years for semi-permanent structure. Loan calculation involves calculating annual payments and amortization. It is also known as mortgage loan calculation or amortization schedule calculation. New loans up to 25 lakhs for first home will be eligible for tax deduction of 2.5 lakhs for interest payments. If the property is rented out, then the interest paid on loan can be deducted against income derived from property without the limit of 1,50,000. Long-term capital gains and short-term capital gains are not arising from sale of residential property. Indexation is allowed in long-term capital gains. The following process is used to calculate amortization schedule. Interest paid is equal to principal outstanding into interest rate. Principal paid is equal to annuity minus interest paid. Principal outstanding at the end of the year is equal to principal outstanding at the start of the year minus principal paid out. The tax applicable on long-term capital gain is 20%.